Hey you guys, here is the Minka Aire ceiling fan catalog from 2007. I don't think I've recorded this one yet, and I figured this would be a good one to record. I've already done 09, so I'm going to go ahead and round off and do 2007, 2008, 2010, probably like 2011, maybe 2012, 2013. We'll stop around 2014 because a lot of those are online somewhere. But yeah, let's take a look here at 2007. First up, we have the ensemble. Of course, the page just flops closed immediately. Oh yeah, there's the crazy red and blue one. These are all 3D rendered images too, which is kind of interesting. Here we've got the 1950s. Binding on this one's a little bit sad, so this can just do this. At some point, I'm gonna do with some of these ones that are falling apart is just zip tie them together. Here you've got the Artemis. That pearl finish, I don't know if anybody's ever seen the pearl white. I haven't. One didn't last too long. Here we got the Flight, the Cirque, San Francisco, the Lineage and the Cristofano. Then the Great Room Designer Collection, we have the Espacio. Then we have the Hearst Castle fans here. Then the Salon Grand, the Adar, which is really cool looking. I love that one. The Napoli, the Churchill. I like this one too. This one's really cool looking. The Vivaldo. I always did really like the look of this one too. We have the Abundancia. I don't know how you even say that properly. There's a proper way. I'm not doing it though. There's the Volterra and the Trevel. And then the Caspian 2, the Volterra and Napoli 2, and these are all Great Room fans again. Then we have the Great Room Basic. We have the Delano, the Santa Lucia and the San Leone, the Acero, the Eris, Calabria, the Cobra, the Gyro, the traditional Gyro, the Calais, however you say that, the Alcazar, which is really cool, that's got leather on it, the Bijou 2, which I think I've mentioned before, I really like that, and we have the Chantal, the Classique, which is of course my favorite, the Antibes, which is pretty cool looking, the Como, Concept 2, Concept 1, the Viper, the Lisa, or Liza, I don't know. There's the Caspian, the Volcaro, the Taos, and the Mystique, the Retro Style fan, and then accessory blades for the Sundowner and the, whatever that thing is, the Ultra. We got the Goguen, the Rainman and the Shangri-La, Gyroette, Magellan, Sundowner, and the Sundance. We have the Supra, which is a pretty decent fan, as we all know. And then we have the Cumberland there, the Contractor Unipack, the regular Contractor, smaller Contractor, and the Mesa. Oh, then the Ultra was the last one there. And then we have hanging systems and other accessories. Down rods and fan blades and all that stuff. And we got light kits here. And we are in the index now. And they always had note section. And here's this. That of course folds out for specifications. And yeah, there we have it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.